Today being the 14th of April. Yeah, 14th of April, 2025, Monday. So markets opened. Okay, I'm going to start with DXY and then what we can expect from DXY. The market started with this nice. Okay, it started with the gap. Yeah, with the gap. Then started trending down, down and down. Down. So I'm looking I'm looking to start. Looking for shorts from DXY, vice versa in GPUSD. But this is a breaker block and also a break and a retest. You can call it break and retest, a breaker of a structure, you can call it a breaker block. So we're expecting price to sell off from this level, or price pulls back to this level and then sells off. So two levels are involved here. Now we're looking for possible price shots. Now we're looking for price to go down. Then due to the pips indifferences, price is kind of volatile till and it's going to continue till the Easter is over. Yeah. So working with this level, if this level violates, then we're looking for this level above. So with this analysis, let's check what GPS is doing also in 15 minutes. GPS is pulling back. Looking at the 5 minutes, also showing a bearish momentum. But selling into this place is going to be a very terrible mistake. Pullback is going to continue. That's why I don't like pullbacks. If you're selling to this place, you're going to you know how long this sell is going to continue before it pushes off. It's better you wait for a possible re-entry. Maybe from here you can get a re-entry for longs here, which is the depth of this core structure, or here. But I doubt that this is going to happen this session. If it comes back at this session, then we can go long. But if it doesn't come back, then we can just ignore it. But so far so good. I've not seen any kind of buy signal that happened during London Open. Just opened and then started spiking up. I don't see any place I'm going to buy in from if I'm going to be long on this pair. So same thing happened here. Price came back here and then continued bullish at this structural level, look at this level. So same thing happened here also. So if you look at this, you keep seeing price coming back to a tested top level, even an entry and keep pushing up. So if I'm supposed to be looking for something like this, break it to your structure low, break the high, and then that's not this structure. I'm going to be looking for something like that here. If price comes back to this place, I'm going to be waiting for some kind of something like this. If I can see it in the 15 minutes, 5 minutes, then I can you know do this. But I hope you guys got what I mean. Something like it'll say price pulling back to this, price pulling back low, pressing a mini high, breaking the low, pressing a high, so testing it and then pushing up. So this is what I'm looking for in this level. So apart from that, I don't think I have any trade to take here. Because this level says this kind of place is a very tricky level. If I'm going to be selling this, I'm going to be gambling my money, and if I'm looking to long this level, it's also a risky one because price is going to come back here. If I'm buying here at this level, let me show you the level. If I'm buying here at this level, I'll have to cover a whole lot of gaps. This place I want to cover till here, and it's like me putting my stop loss where my entry is supposed to be. So, in fact, this month I don't want to start this week with taking nonsense trade that is no I'm not supposed to be taking. But this is my plan on GPUSD, even if I'm streaming. If I'm streaming. So I don't know what this warning is all about, but I'll fix this. I'll take a screenshot of this and then fix it. I've been seeing this warning so many times. Come on, I'll try and fix this. So I was saying this is my plan on GPUZ. Price coming back up to this level, give me an entry for me to buy, and then I would look for a long. Then going to Euro USD, I added Euro USD sometime last 2 weeks, I think, yeah. So we'll start looking at Euro USD also. I'm trying to know if I can resolve the low by trade something. As I was saying, you can see how price has been consistent in breaking and retesting structures. So I'll wait for price to come back here and give me some self interest structures for me to go along with. So as I was saying, let's move to GBP Euro USD. Euro USD is telling the same story but in a different way. And Euro USD might be okay for a long at this moment. Some sort of weak because it's not pushing up that much momentum again. You see how it has been pushing here, how it's pushed and pushing up, and all of a sudden it lost its momentum at this level. Sunday opened with a gap, and then the gap got refilled immediately. That's one about price gap. You're going to get to the field immediately, not tomorrow or next. It's going to field immediately. So price got gapped on this and got to the field immediately. So that is one about price. So it might be showing some bullish intent, but I don't like this type of bullish structure. It's not reacting to anywhere. Not even if it's reacting to a fair value gap, but I can't risk it. Or maybe I can. Because this he has taken out the structure. Nice. Well, I'll just stick to GBUSD structure. And just stick to, I don't want to second guess any trade. Set and forget. Once I take the trade, I will have to second guess it and then start forming structures inside my head. Once I've taken it, I've taken it. So there is this kind of not showing me enough momentum or entry. When we are trading these big characters, all we want to see is not later. So if GPSC is going to break an immediate structure, this level, then we can work with that. But if it's not going to break an immediate structure, which is this level, then we won't wait for it to come back and then retest it. But for now, this is our plan A. Let me just write this plan A. Plan A. Let me just write it one. I don't want to start writing on my chats. Let's write it one. This one is 2. So this is my first plan. If price comes to this level, I'm going to work with a break and a test strategy here. But if you break this immediate structure here, then I'm going to be working with this structure. And two. So I'm going to leave this thing here, this chart here. I'm going to come back later and then see what we have. Yeah, I'm going to come back later and see what we got. So stay back and yeah, I'll come back.
Well, that 61 highway is the loneliest road that I know. Well, that 61 highway is the loneliest road that I know. She run from New York City, run right by my baby's door. Wow, some people say the Greyhound buses, they don't run. You know, some people say that city Greyhound buses, they don't run. Wow, you ought to go to West Memphis, baby. Look down Highway 61. Please see somebody for me. I said, please see somebody for me. If you see my baby, tell her she's all right with me. Mr. Derek Ross Patterson. should happen to die, babe, honey, for you think my time have come. If I should happen to die, baby, honey, for you think my time have come. I want you to bury my body right down there by Highway 61.
Don't wait for me. I'm not going, 'cause I can't leave. I watched for years, your strength, your pride. You held the doors as life passed you by. Life just passed you by. Now I can tell you wanna go. Don't think of me, 'cause I can't go. Gotta take the highs with the low. So don't wait for me. I'm not going, 'cause I can't leave. And don't you dare say no, just because you love me so. Take with you all the things you have. Just be yourself and don't be sad, 'cause there's bigger seeds to sow. I'll be beside you every step of the way. I'll hold you up when you go astray. Don't worry, it'll be okay. So don't wait for me. I'm not going, 'cause I can't leave. And don't you dare say no, just because you love me so. So don't wait for me. I'm not going, 'cause I can't leave. you dare say no just because you love me so, just because you love me so, just because you love me so. It makes me scream. Who makes me suffer all night long? Yeah. It makes me scream. Hey, people makes me suffering all night long. I see the pain of the world, and I carry it home. This long way, this long way. I walk, it's heavy stuff tearing me down. Alrighty. Ooh. If you don't care, I said that I don't care no more. If you don't care, yeah. I say that I don't care no more. I know you love to block your ears, or don't you? And I know you love to close your eyes, 'cause it's an easy thing, sitting at home, watching TV, all the others. It's not me, not me. Oh, yeah. But if you fear your neighbor, if you fear the one with the black hair, if you fear your brother, where does it end? Where does it end? Fear is the most powerful thing. Fear is the most dangerous thing. Alrighty.
we're getting a nice break above, and Euro is also respected that level we're talking about. This level we're getting a break above. If in next 16 seconds we'll be going in, but I don't think that this is giving us 30 pips, which is huge, freaking huge. Or we can wait for it to come back a little bit. Then so we're going with plan B, which is this number two. If price come back a little bit, but if we're going in now, we're getting 30 pip stops. 30 pip stops. 30 pip stops. 30 pip stops is let's check. Okay, now we're going to move in now. I moved in at spread shot at 1.3177. Spread fucked me up. 1.3177. Not that bad. Those that execute me here. 1.3177. That is two pips different. This crazy. Then we got watch with 20 pips. Let's see what 20 pips is. 20 pips is fucking low. We can go with 30 pips. And then targeting 60 pips. I don't know, but if you can get 1:1 for the meantime, you can, close it out. So this is it. Let's check with the fibs. I'm going to cancel this one. Since price didn't come down, I'm going to cancel it. And then work with this. This might be overbought, as you guys always say, but I don't know. Just following the structure, break and the test of it. So my stop loss is going to be okay. I use let's leave it at 30 pips. I'm setting alert at the stop loss level because I'm going to be named for set and forget on this trade. Until I got an alert, then I can come and check the trade. But no alert, no trade checking. Like I said on my YouTube video, if you're not watching that YouTube video, you should go and watch it now. I said that I'm going to be using stop loss. I'm going to be using set and forget now. Once it hits my take profit, I'll come. If it hits SL, I'll come. So I'm not going to be here watching the screen all day with you guys. I'm just giving the entry and then I'll go off. The stream is currently how many minutes? 15 minutes already. We are doing it at so let's just do a quick round up on why I took this trade and how I took this trade. As I, as, as I said before, the plan A was to come back here, retest, push up. Plan B was to break this structure high, then go for longs. So we are going with plan B. See it's here too. So pushing up to this level, then we can actually know if we can close or manage our trades. Because back of this momentum is very huge. So price can still push up. I don't know. Price can still do anything. Price can go 200 pips in a day. But for now, since London open, it has gone out to. Since London open, price has gone up to. Come on. Has gone up to 54 pips. Price can go 100 pips in a day, 200 pips in a day. It's not a big deal for him. So I'll wait for the trade to go to my direction and then or against me if I can come back and check the trade. If not, I'm not going to be checking here. So I'm going to end the stream right now so that you guys can have a nice day.